Hello everyone, my name is Abhirup. In this video, I'll show you how you can lock a file using a Python script. So you don't need to install any third-party application for locking your personal files. If you know Python, you can just create a simple script and lock your all important files and all that. So for this video, you just need to have a simple knowledge of Python. So you can see I have created a folder. In this folder, I am having three files. One Python file and there are some lots of files. And this is my Python blank window. So for the script, I'm gonna import two modules. One is OS and second one is the base 64. Using base 64, I will lock the all files, and using OS, I will do some operating system activities. So basically, you have to save the script on the particular folder. And for this, I am creating a empty list and running a command os dot list dir and a dot. So list there dot means it will show the all file list present in this particular folder. Then I can run a for loop for I in LST. Then each and every data in present in LST will come to the I and will perform our locking operation into this I variable. Then I'm going to use the file handling stuff. I'm creating a file object. The open is the keyword for opening a file. So basically, I have to open the file name I. Basically, I is a variable. In this variable I, there are a file name. I'm opening into the read binary mode because the file can be anything. Like the file can be a text file, file can be a exe file, file can be image, video, anything. So for this kind of multi file, you need to have a RB module. Okay, sorry, RB mode, not module. Then I'm creating a variable named data ft.read. So I'm reading the whole content present in this file and I'm saving the content into the data variable. Then I'm closing this object. The next step is the encryption of the locking part. Then what I'm basically you can use your own algorithm. I've just created three simple line algorithm. First of all, I'll gonna lock this file using the base 64. Then I'll reverse it. Then I'll again lock that. So I'm writing data L1 for the fast layer. You can say uh, L1. This is just a name. You can take any name you want. Then I have to create that like base64 dot b64 encode. This is the function for encoding. Sorry, data. I have to encode the data. Then I'm reversing it. So again I'm writing data L2 equal to the data. Sorry, data layer one of. So this is the reversing algorithm in Python. Double is 2 and minus 1. It will reverse the whole string. Then again I'm creating a new variable called data of layer 3. Again I am going to encode it using base64. Then the data of layer 2. So this is the algorithm. So first of all I having the data. Data is the actual data. Then I am encoding it using the base64 and I am saving it into a data L1 variable. Then I am reversing the data L1 variable and again I am saving it in the data L2 variable. Then again I am encoding it data L2 variable. Then again I am saving it in data L3 variable. Okay. Then again I have to open a new file. So basically you can use any extension you want. I am going to use the extension name .log. So I is the actual file name. I am creating a new variable called ni. I am going to use I plus dot log. Sorry, dot logged. So this is a simpler name. So each and every file will change to the dot log like the first file is the clss.py. It will change to the cls.py dot logged. Okay, then again I have to use the file handling operation. So I'm again opening the file. I have to open ni into the right binary thing because I'm going to create a file. So fd.write, and I have to write the data layer 3. Then fd.close. So then I have to delete the actual file. Okay. Then again I'm using os.remove function for deleting the actual file. The I. So basically I was containing the actual file and ni is the new file I have created. Then this after this operation I can print a simple thing called printer. This is just a design. Okay. So this is my code. Now I'm going to run it. So now I have to run the code. Double click on this code. Now look. Each and every file is now locked. This is the simple Python script. Using this script you can secure your all kind of files. This is all for this video. In the next video I'll show you how to decode this file. So this was a simple encryptor. In the next video I'll show you how to make a decryptor for this application. Okay. So thank you for watching this video and please like, share and subscribe to our channel ISOH. Thank you.